Hello, thank you for watching my video. Today I want to get into the URL bar and what URLs look like under different circumstances for different things. The main reason for getting into the way the URL bar is set out is because a lot of times you will get phishing emails that will send you to sites that have absolutely nothing to do with the site that you are being told that it has to do. So for example, here I'm going into my spam folder in my Yahoo Mail, and I'm looking at various different spams from different places that have been caught by the spam filter at Yahoo. And one in particular says that it's YouTube service. YouTube service has sent you a message. So apparently someone realizes that I put up videos, so they decided they were going fishing. And if you'll look at this message, the way this message is laid out, it says YouTube service has sent you a message, your video has been approved, blah blah blah, and then there's a URL here. Now what's interesting to note is in the email it says this is from http www.youtube.com watch blah blah feature blah. This is entirely meaningless. This can be faked. What can't be faked is up here, and I'm going to show you in just a second. Now pay attention down here, if this will go within the screenshot, as to how various links show up on the bottom. It's going to show up in this area here. But as I mouse over, you'll see that it's www.sosl.es/antonhtml. That has nothing to do with YouTube. It's not a YouTube website. And because I have protection on my computer, I'm going to go ahead and click this and see what it shows you. You'll see that it doesn't say anything about YouTube. It pushes you forward to a spam ad, which is healthcarepharmacybiological.com. Okay, now what that has to do with YouTube is nothing. But what's far more sinister is that somebody can send you to a banking site, and the way that usually works is they pick a very popular bank and they just send out thousands of emails in the hopes that somebody is actually going to read that and do something and act upon it. The best way to find out if you're on your bank's website, first of all, your bank is not going to send you that type of an email, so I would just completely ignore that email. But I'm going to explain a little bit about the browser bar, or the URL bar up here, and how URLs are structured. Now we'll start out with Yahoo's homepage, and you can see that in here it says www.yahoo.com. Okay, this is a Yahoo site because the only thing in front of the first dot, if anything, is www. Now I'm going to show you how one of my websites is structured with a subdomain. And here's the problem with a subdomain. A subdomain can be any domain that you designate it to be. In my case, my subdomain is len, and my domain is farnath.net. So where this subdomain says len, it corresponds to a subdomain I have set up for my server. And I can set up any word to be this first word. That can be len, that could be Bank of America, it could be anything. I could set that up and it could look somewhat official. But what you're looking for is you're looking for the very first word, this farnath.net. But in your case, if you're going to your bank, it should be yourbank.com or something to that nature. Always look at the .com, because you can add things to a URL as well, and that would be a subdirectory. I could put Bank of Calgary or whatever in there, and I could actually fill that up with a we won't get into all that, but I could fill that up with a useless thing that looks somewhat official. So what you're looking for is you're looking for the word just immediately before the .com, or in my case .net. So you're looking for the word and then the .com. The other thing you want to look for, this is not a secure site. If you go to Google, you can see that it begins with HTTPS, which means secure. And then you look at the : / and then right past that you look for that first thing, and that's going to be www, or it's going to be the name of the site. And then you're looking for the .com. So anyway, this is how you protect yourself from irrelevant sites. Although mine is not an irrelevant site, the way it's set up with the len.farnath.net, this is set up with a subdomain, and you could also append anything you wanted to after the domain. And this is what you're looking for. You're looking for the blank.com or blank.net or whatever. So anyway, happy browsing, and if you're unsure of a site, mouse over and look down in the bottom right and see what it gives you in this area right here as where the site is going to take you to before you click on it. If you get anything from a bank or anything like that that says, you know, hey, we're going to close your account if you don't answer this email, contact your bank or go through your browser bar, type in your bank's URL, or use a bookmark that you already have established for your bank. If you get caught in a phishing scam and you end up giving information, immediately contact the bank or whoever it is that's getting phished and let them know what the deal is, and they can change your security settings on your site. Thank you, and I hope this helped you. If it did, please give me a thumbs up, rating, make a comment, do something. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Talk to you later.